Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you are very, very well. Now, look, let's be brutally honest. All right, 2020 was a tricky year, right? Was a tricky year, and I think for a lot of us, we kind of got to the end of that year thinking, wow, what was that? And thank it's 2021. 2021. It's I don't know. Hopefully it's going to be a lot better than 2020, but we never know, right? We never know. And I think for me, one of the things that came out of 2020 was the fact that you just never know what's coming and that anything could be possible. I really do believe now that anything is possible. Literally, whatever they say, big headlines on the news would not be as shocking now that we've had 2020. And it's a useful kind of nice and round sound, isn't it, 2020? Because I'm sure that we'll be referring back to it for years and years to come, as something bad, a 2020. So, look, I thought long and hard about what I could do to help you. And I want to help you because through 2020, with all the challenges that it posed for all of us, if you were working online, then chances are you're gonna be okay. Now, I'm not saying it wasn't a challenge. Yeah, it was a challenge, but I was immensely grateful to have my online business, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Because I could see people having to go out to work when they didn't want to, when they felt that it was dangerous. I could see people not being able to go to work because they've been told they couldn't, and not getting the kind of income that they were used to, and then worrying about paying their bills and all of that stuff that goes with it. And I know, a lot of you have had your struggles over the past year. So, as you know, if you've been following me for any time, I quite often put together 4-week webinar programs. Okay, now these are live webinars that I host, coaching webinars, and my standard price for that is $497. Now this is well known and well publicized, and I even refer to that when I'm pitching my breakthrough program, because I say, you kind of get unlimited webinars there for $497, but I usually charge $497 for just 4 of them. So I thought it would be lovely to be able to do another 4-week webinar series to kickstart the new year for you, to give you a real fighting chance of making some money online. But wouldn't it be lovely if I could do that a lot cheaper, like 80% cheaper, because of the way things are, the way things have been? So I have. And I've done more than that, as you're about to see. Okay, so let me introduce you to 21. 21 VIP. This is the logo here. This is something that I've been working on in the background for the last few weeks to kick off the new year. And what this is, it started off as just like 4 weeks webinar program, and it's turned into a full members area, complete with a ton of content for you. So it really is like a complete no-brainer. If you like my training, if you like the way I teach, and you like the content I produce, then you're going to love this. Okay, now if you've heard of Breakthrough and you are a Breakthrough member, you might be thinking, oh, well, do I need this? I'm a Breakthrough member. Well, it will complement what you're doing, very nicely, and it's very affordable. So it's completely different, and it will work hand in hand with what you're learning Breakthrough. If you're not a Breakthrough member, you might be saying, well, will this work if I'm not a Breakthrough member? And yes, of course it will, because it's a standalone training program. And the idea is that I'm going to show you over the period of 4 weeks on live webinar coaching exactly what I would do if I had to start again from scratch. All right. And I've got to say that for me is one of the kind of big questions, right, that I love. What would you do if you had to start over again? The last 4 years since I went full time have been such a learning experience for me. I'm learning all the time, and I'm investing in new training all the time, like high ticket training, all right, so that I can continue to grow and expand my business, but so I can continue to pass on more information to you, so that I can help you to grow, so I can help you to get success. And over that period of time, I've spent time and money like you wouldn't believe learning this business and working out what works and, more importantly, what doesn't, and expanding on what does. And if I was to be asked the question, what would you do if you had to start all over again? I think it's fantastic, because, I know exactly what I'd do. So why not tell you what I'd do? Don't you think that'd be great? I think that'd be great, and you can join me in that journey and on that experience. And I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that you get some results out of this and that you do start making some money online. Okay, so it's called 21 VIP. The 21 comes from 2021. Okay, which kind of makes sense, I suppose. Now you'll see on my review page here, I've got full details of the main product and the upsells. So I'm just going to go through those for you quickly now. The main product, as I said, I'm going to show you inside the members area in a second. And the main product is a 4-week webinar training series that I've done several times in the past, and as I said, always at $497. But I've built a members area, and I've included quite a lot of content in there as well. So there will be the stuff for you to crack on with straight away. During those webinars, I'll reveal to you the exact steps that I would take if I was starting again from scratch, which I think is going to be really exciting. And you can just go off and do it, just as if you were me starting from the beginning again. Okay. The first OTO that you're going to be presented with is an incredible OTO. And the savvy among you will realize the true value of this. All right, I've priced it at $197. It's actually probably worth more like $997 or more, because I'm going to give you the VIP PLR rights to the webinars that take place in 21 VIP. Okay, so that means you'll have those webinars, you'll have the replays to do with as you want. You can rename, rebrand, but more importantly, repackage and reprice. So I've told you that I normally go out at $497, but you can get in at $97. If you take this one upsell at $197, with getting into 21 VIP and taking the upsell, you've still not spent the $497. You've saved yourself $100, and you've got the PLR rights to the videos. All right, now obviously at $197, not everybody's going to go for that, so it's going to be exclusive, which means that you can have a whale of a time out there selling those. All right, and you can keep all of the money yourself. All right, it's a massive upgrade, a massive opportunity. It's like a business in a box, but at a fraction of the price that it would cost to start a business. So OTO 1, exclusive 21 VIP video rights. I strongly recommend you consider that one. I really do. And I know that there are many of you who are going to. You're going to snap this up. It's limited, so when you get through the funnel, if the button's gone, then they've all gone. If the button's there, then I would grab it if I was you. Okay. All right, so OTO number 2. You may or may have not seen this before, but it's my website package. And my website package is specially priced at $497. And what I actually do is I create a clone of my very successful Floss website, $1 million Floss website. I create a clone, I design you a logo, I put all the parts in place, the contact page, I set up your autoresponder, I give you the rights to my reviews, you put your own affiliate links in, you get the cash from those, and it's your starting point. It's like you're building your foundations for your online career. Okay, so you get the opportunity to go for that if you want to. Again, strictly limited. If the button's gone, they've gone. If the button's there, then I would go for that. You don't have to have a website, okay, but I would definitely have a website. That's all I'm going to say. My website has made me a lot of money. Okay, then OTO number 3 is a very low priced OTO at $97, because this is PLR for 2, and what you get is the PLR rights to 2 of my programs, and they're kind of clean, like almost like white label programs. I don't mention product names in the videos, and so again, you get the rights to repackage, rebrand, and sell for whatever price you want on 2 full programs for just $97. Should be $297. I'm doing it at $97. And that's it. Just those 3 upsells there. Now, bonus wise, I'm going to give you, let's go through here. Right, so the big boy bonus is this one. PLR rights to the videos in Headway. And in a second, when we go in the members area, you can take a look at just how much you get for that. It's incredible. All right, this is a bonus. You get this for free. All right, it's worth $494 because I'm going to give you the giveaway rights as well for any 2 of the videos. I wouldn't give away 2 if I was you. You might want to give away, well, you might want to give away 1 or 2, but it's like an incentive, like a lead magnet. Okay, and you've got the rights to the Headway videos, so you can repackage it and you can sell it and you can keep all of the money. All right. Now, the only thing you can't do is list it as public on Warrior Plus, for example, because it is, you know, it's my product, but you're getting the PLR rights to the videos. So you can't list it as public on there, but you can list it as your own product on your own Warrior Plus account and send traffic to it and keep all of the money. All right. And it's free. It's a free bonus, a massive bonus. OK. And bear in mind that to get into 21 VIP, it's only $97 and you're going to get this. Like, in other words, if I were you, I would just get into 21 VIP just to get this. Even though 21 VIP is a no-brainer, I would just get in to get this. Okay. You're also going to get 3 coaching webinars. So set up your Warrior Plus product training, fast cash training, and money this week training. These are from my VIP breakthrough coaching group. And you get a full Pimping PLR section that I'll show you in a second. Ton of information in there. What Pimping PLR is teaching you how to take a piece of PLR and turn it into something sexy. But it can be anything. It can be just your own creation, but how to make it look better and all that as well. Is literally pimping your content. Okay, which is extremely valuable. You're also going to get Side Cash, which is another program that teaches you how to make money on the side. And I was making some really decent money before I went full-time into online marketing, and that's using the system that I show you there. Okay, so your bonuses are all ready and waiting for you inside the members area. And let's go over and take a look at the members area now. So when you land in 21 VIP, this is the members area. You've got a welcome video from me here, and you know, lots of content and videos and links and just all sorts of lovely stuff. And then links to register for the webinar. So you've got the live training webinars. All the replays will be put in the members area as well. Then we've got the VIP training. So in the VIP training, we've got an introduction to making money online. This is all brand new recordings. The core money makers and Warrior Plus, with more content here. Affiliate approval on Warrior Plus. As I said, all this is brand new, literally just been recorded. Warrior tracking and adding bonuses. Here you can see all the content there. Using YouTube for fast results. Okay, so you can see there's a ton of content in here straight away. Then we've got the bonus Headway PLR. And here we have links to all the videos and the resources, the training docs, etc. Now look how many videos you get. These are all yours, free to use. Now, obviously you can use the training that's in there as well if you haven't gone through Headway, which I would strongly recommend you do, because that's going to help you to increase your affiliate and vendor scores on Warrior Plus. But all of these videos you've got to use as your own. I mean, it is a no-brainer, honestly. You know, sometimes I think maybe I give away too much, but you know, I like to spoil you. So anyway, 21 PLR and PLR for 2. These are the 2 upgrades. They will only be there if you go for them. If you don't, you won't have access to them. You'll see the links, but you won't be able to click through. And then we've got bonus training. So we've got Pimping PLR, and you'll see all of these different sections here. So income proof, Pimper and Me, the 7 simple steps, find your PLR, consume the content, etc. We've also got free traffic. We've got designing your own logos. We've got email marketing power strategies. We've got how to make money with ClickBank. And we've got, I won't load all of them, it's taking too long, doubling your affiliate commissions, fast and easy bonus access, review videos for shy peeps. And we've got the bonus video VIP coaching webinars here. And then we've got the side cash here as well. So you can see there's a ton of information in there, but of course what I've tried to do is just make this a complete no-brainer, because you're actually getting 4 weeks of training with me, live training, live coaching, to show you what I would do if I was starting from scratch, which means that you can do the same. Now, the power of that is incredible, and there's never been a better time with the way things are in the world to get online. People are, they're hungry for this information. They're hungry to learn how to make money online, and you can come in and you can deliver quality training, and you can create quality products, and you can be a quality affiliate with quality bonuses if you follow my training, for people who are hungry for that information. You know, this literally is the best time to do it. Okay, now I'm really proud of this. As you can see that I would be proud of it, especially the fact that I'm doing it at such a low price. So I would urge you to go for this as soon as you can, because the numbers on this are strictly limited. All right, strictly limited. You need to get in as soon as you can while you can, because otherwise you're going to be disappointed. All right, so invest in yourself. This is a solid investment in the future, you know. And if you're using a credit card, it's like you're not even paying for it, because I'm going to teach you how to make money. So over the 4-week period, you can start getting the money back, and $97, you get the Headway PLR anyway for $97. You know, you can get your money back on that. You could sell that time and time again, you know, honestly. So that's it from me. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Ask away. I'm here for you. But I would strongly urge you to go for this. It's a great way to start the new year. It's a great way to invest in yourself and to secure something that's going to work for you for months and years to come. Okay, that's it from me. Go for it, and I'll see you on the calls and inside the members area. Take care. All the best. Trevor.